Hi guys. Today, as I promised in the last video, we're gonna make some batteries. We need a aluminum can, sand it inside, two pieces. We got copper wire coiled, and I put some plastic cap in the bottom. We have a salt water solution, and we're gonna use a mixture of 2% concrete, and other things are crystals. I will tell you about that in another video. So let's make some batteries. Okay, mixing is over, so now we need to put this coiled copper inside. Copper and aluminium are not supposed to touch each other, so be careful. That's the reason I put a plastic cap in the bottom of the copper coil. Very messy. So now we're gonna wait this for drying, and before that I want to measure if there is any voltage or like this. Okay, copper is plus, aluminium is minus, so let's try. Let's do it in this way. Okay, we have voltage 0.58, 57, 58. Okay, let's try some amperage. 0.20 milliamps. So let's try. Okay, we have some readings, but you see that. We're gonna test this when it's dry, so let's wait this for drying, and we're gonna test the batteries and the voltage and the amperage. Okay guys, while we wait for new batteries to dry, I'm gonna make a quick update about the old batteries. They are old 90 days and 2 weeks. Last measurements in last video you saw that voltages, I think 1.05 volts and increasing. So there is a new readings from these batteries, and the voltage is up to 1.24 volts and increasing every day. I'm gonna let you know about these batteries in another video, but this is promising. The voltage is increasing, so we will wait. Okay guys, batteries are finished. This is solid, it's dried, so let's see the voltage. 0.56, 57. Let's make this like this. 0.55 volts. Okay, let's measure the amperage. Okay, another. Okay, we have the amperage. So I will put them in series with other batteries and wait for my new video. I will show you how this works, and please, if you like this video, like and subscribe and be updated for new videos. Thank you guys.